I'm not micro, but this is my dirty job.
Now get ready
to get dirty. Ah, yeah. Broken compactor. Now. Ah, they threw more garbage in. Okay, this is the inside of our compactor. What has happened is the press head has pulled away from the platen plate, letting garbage drop down behind the press head to where it's not supposed to be, where it's supposed to go into the front of the container. So we have to dig out all this garbage inside here and do a bunch of welding. See that cat? That's supposed to pull forward with that press head, but it doesn't.
Welcome back in the compactor. Our favorite spot.
Yeah, what you digging in there into, Bo?
Everything that's fallen in behind the back of the press head, and it's all compacted. And the weight of the ram coming back in the retract position, and everything is just solid shut. It's gonna take us like 2 hours to get all this cleaned out. It's packed.
Yeah, the shovel doesn't really work too good when there's 2,500 pounds of pressure pushed back on this garbage.
What makes it nice, it's all old too. It wasn't thrown away yesterday. Probably been sitting there for a month building and building until we get called out.
It is so smashed. Ooh, glass.
It's all wet.
Stinks. Not a good smell. Yeah, pull that garbage out. Ew.
I don't even know what that is. I think it's like a plastic container.
Smells nice.
But food? Almost got it all pulled out. That's what 2,500 pounds of pressure will do. It jams it all up in there.
Gosh.
Okay, we just about got the whole press head area cleaned out. We found that it's best to stick it all on the top of the press head and just push it on through. We don't have a wheelbarrow or trash bag or anything. This is the pile of trash that we pulled in that little confined space behind the ram. It's a lot of garbage.
Okay, we got this all cleaned out in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this lip off here because what has happened is this plate has become bent upwards, and there's 3 tabs here that that plate's supposed to catch on. We're going to cut this bar off, drop it down about an inch, re-weld it back on, so that press head will pull this whole platen plate forward. Here we go. Right on.
So we order a new slide, that one's gonna work just fine.
Dude, it's a good day. New sunglasses. I think this is the Victoria's Secret catalog. Oh yeah. Sweet.
Take dumpster diving to a new level. Trash and cardboard. Or trash only, no cardboard. Dirty Jake.
Dirty boat.
Dirty van.
Down
Dirty
by
Joe.
a river.